breaking inputs coming in from Wayanad, where unfortunately the death toll has increased yet again. 73 lives lost in the Wayanad landslides. Two major landslides hit Wayanad, which has now led to massive destruction, and also we're given to understand that the death toll unfortunately has risen further. 73 people have lost their lives. Several hundreds, in fact, are feared trapped in the debris. Several tourists trapped at a resort as well. Roads washed away, bridges washed away, connectivity has been impacted. Now, for the rescue operation, we do know that the NDRF personnel on ground are taking all efforts to ensure that help reaches every individual, that they rescue people at the earliest. Apart from that, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Navy have all been pressed into action. The Prime Minister took stock of the situation, spoke to the Chief Minister of Kerala, assured all possible help. Ex gratia has also been announced. We have Jayalakshmi joining us with more details. Jayalakshmi, another unfortunate tragedy, and no good news coming from there. 73 people now, that's the death toll. 73 people have lost their lives.
Yes, certainly. As I mentioned, the death toll is constantly increasing because of the gravity of the situation. And in fact, this landslide, the massive landslide that had occurred at 2:30 a.m. and 4:30 a.m. In the early morning, that had caused this severe damage to this district of Wayanad. And in fact, now we know the official numbers have risen to 73, but unofficially, we also know that there are multiple bodies being recovered at the same time as we speak. And there are also hundreds and more than, in fact, 150 people who have been trapped under the debris who are trying to get themselves evacuated by the forces. And definitely the center and the state all are working together, and all the forces, the Indian Navy, Army and Air Force are together in this. In fact, the state government, the NDRF, the fire force, everybody together is joining hands to rescue each and every life that is being trapped in Wayanad. We also know that people are trapped in certain in certain villages of Wayanad. Mepadi is the base location where as of now the hospitals are situated, and places like Chural and Mundakai are the most affected places in this disaster. And we know that the rescue operations are trying to rescue people who have been trapped in that area, who are being very difficult to reach at this moment.
It's a hilly terrain. Apart from that, the weather, the geography, it's all proving to be a challenge to the team on ground.